Hazrat Abu Ishaq states that Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to perform Umrah in Zulqada, but the inhabitants of Makkah refused to permit him to enter Makkah Mukarramah until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a treaty with them to stay for 3 days. When the treaty was being written, it was written, "This is what Muhammad, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, decided." They said, "We do not acknowledge it, for if we had acknowledged you being Allah's apostle, why would we have detained you? But you are Muhammad bin Abdullah." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I am both Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Muhammad bin Abdullah." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked Hazrat Ali to delete Muhammad, Allah's apostle. He submitted, "No, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will never delete your name." So Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam took the agreement and wrote, "This is what Muhammad bin Abdullah has decided, that he will not enter Makkah but with sheathed weapons, and if anyone of its inhabitants wishes to go along with him, he will not go along with him, and if anyone of his companions wishes to stay here, he will not be prevented next year." When he entered and the appointed period elapsed, they came to Hazrat Ali and said, "Tell your friend to leave us, for the period has elapsed." So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out, and Hazrat Hamza's daughter was coming after, saying, "O uncle." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu caught hold of her and clutched her hand and asked Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, "Take your cousin." So she made her sit on her mount. There occurred a dispute among Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Zaid and Hazrat Jafar about her. Hazrat Ali said, "I have more rights as she is my cousin." Hazrat Jafar said, "She is my niece and her maternal aunt is my wife." Hazrat Zaid said, "She is my niece, brother's daughter." So the Prophet ﷺ decided her case in favor of the maternal aunt and said, "The maternal aunt is like the mother," and said to Hazrat Ali, "You are from me and I am from you." And for Hazrat Jafar, he ﷺ said, "You bear more resemblance to me in form and character," and said to Hazrat Zaid, "You are our brother and supporter." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2699.